Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you're gonna build your own personalized AI workout plan generator. And this app, which I built, it's powered by CrewAI, where I use a single agent to generate a personalized workout with the help of Gemini. And to create an AI workout plan generator, so I've created a user interface with the help of like Streamlit app. And in the session, it is primary you have to give the fitness details. The inputs is gonna more talks about losing the weight or building muscles. So and then it's gonna have the workout duration per session. It's number of the minutes you can plus or minus the duration with help of like the buttons which is gonna show you, and it's gonna add 5 minutes or deduct 5 minutes into the one, and it has a intense level, beginner, intermediate, and professional. And then once you updated all this information, you can click your own workout plan. And this is a kind of like an app which I've created with the CrewAI, which is open source and using a single agent and use LLM capabilities of Gemini to generate a detailed workout plan. Unlike other workout plan, it doesn't gonna give you the intense level and the workout plans and what is a kind of exercises which you need to do it depending upon your personalized, and this can be changed depending upon the more features which you can add it the ones. Let's try this app, and I'm going to show you the code walkthrough into the part 2. So here comes a friendly 20 minutes workout plan for weight loss, combining the cardio to burn the calories and the body weight strength exercise to build the muscle and boosting the metabolism. And for the beginner tips, it's gonna gives you the important notes. Listen to your body and stop or modify it. It's gonna hurt you your muscle fatigue. So the focus on the proper form and prevent injuries. So it's understand as a beginner one. It's gonna gives you the important notes to the beginners, and it's gonna show you like what are the challenges they might face it with having the proper pose or to try to do into the different kind of a workout that might be causes them as injuries. And it's asked to stay hydrated and have a quality of diet. And then the app is going to generate a 20 minutes weight loss workout. The goal is to burn calories and improve your foundational strength, and total time is like 20 minutes which I have given earlier. And the purpose is like the muscle build and increase your heart rate. So do a 40 seconds. It's gonna be like lifting your knees and stretching your arms. It's similar to a cold workout fitness. Depending upon your age and the duration, it's gonna understand. It's gonna give a the detailed workout plan. And the main workout circuit is between the 12 to 15 minutes. It's gonna increase your heart rate and improve your muscle strength. And this workout is consist of like stepping jogs for 45 seconds, and it has a note for the beginners to increase the full jumping jocks if ready, and the body weight squats 10 to 15 reps to enhance the lower hip and sitting and keep up the chest, and matching the knees and how many times they lift those knees to the chest. It's 45 seconds, and the plank is 20 to 45 minutes, and the cool down period is like 3 to 4 minutes. The purpose is like to lower the heart rate, improve the flexibility and recovery. And the cold, the ones like what a kind of like stretch they need to do is like 20 to 30 seconds. It's gonna improve the cool down period. And this plan, if they stick, and it's gonna keep on increase their progress or increase their exercise duration, they can reduce their weight. That's one. And it's gonna gives you the important notes to the personalized way, and it's going to send you the email if they finish the workout plan. And then we can enhance this application, and I'm going to show you how you can build this cult fitness app within to 5 to 6 minutes with the help of like CrewAI. Please watch my upcoming video where I'm gonna show you the code walkthrough to build this app to you. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more AI video content creations. Thank you.